A lot of big business stories here at the White House to bring you up to speed on today. Start with the tax news. We heard this comment from the president today. Not a whole lot of detail, but he did indicate that the White House is preparing to unveil its tax plan. Here's exactly what he said.
We're going to be announcing something, I would say, over the next 2 or 3 weeks that will be phenomenal in terms of tax and developing our aviation infrastructure.
That tax comment got the attention of Wall Street, Kelly, but a word of warning to people who are expecting that this could be coming sometime soon. Even if the White House releases their plan in the coming weeks, that doesn't necessarily mean we're going to see any legislation passed. This could be a year-long process to get tax reform done. They haven't done anything this big since 1986, so this will be an intense and heavy lift in Washington. Now on to the second big business story of the day today, and that's these comments from Kellyanne Conway about Nordstrom in the wake of the president's tweet criticizing that company for withdrawing Ivanka Trump's line of products. Kellyanne Conway going on national television this morning to say that everybody should buy Nordstrom products, in effect giving a national commercial. That has been roundly criticized as unfortunate and possibly violating the law on what government employees are allowed to say and not say about private businesses. Here's what Sean Spicer had to say about Kellyanne Conway and what had happened to her inside the White House in the wake of those comments.
Kellyanne has been counseled, and that's all we're going to go with. She's been counseled on that subject, and that's it.
So Sean Spicer saying that's it. He won't say who counseled Kellyanne Conway or what she was counseled to do, but Kelly, presumably she was counseled not to do that again. Back over to you.
Eamon, she said everyone should buy Ivanka Trump products?
Yeah, she said, yes, that's right. She said everybody should buy Ivanka Trump products, in effect giving the president's daughter a commercial on national television. Apologies if I misspoke there.
Yeah, just making sure. And Nordstrom shares yesterday we saw, of course, were up. And Eamon, that was kind of the interesting wrinkle in all of that. They initially went lower like many companies have after the president singled them out, but then rallied.
Yeah, I think, you're starting to see some of the power of these Trump tweets maybe wearing off a little bit. Investors may be able to sort of distill which ones the president might have an actual impact on the stock price of this company. For example, if it's a government negotiation or a direct policy decision that the government has, or a comment which is just sort of top of the head from the president, which is just a criticism, but not something that he has real power to deliver on. Markets might be able to start to measure that nuance here from these presidential tweets.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.